The objective of press meet today here is for launch of two very important, remarkable products. One product in the savings, which we call it Cent Aspire Deposit Scheme, and one product is coming out of the credit loan product, which is Cent Home Double Plus product. Both are being simultaneously being launched across the country by our bank. Similar press conferences are being held in all the zonal headquarters at bank's headquarters in Mumbai today. The response from the morning today has been very tremendous for both the products. The customers have shown very keen interest in both these products, which is evident from the very good number of accounts we could mobilize in both Cent Aspire Deposit product as well as Cent Home Double Plus product. I'll briefly tell you what are these two products, and before that I would like to briefly say about our bank, our zone, and thereafter I will inform you about the salient features of these two products. Friends, you know Central Bank of India is the first Swadeshi bank set up in 1911 by Sir Swarajji Pochkanwala, and we have completed 103 years serving to the various segments of the economy. We have as on date more than 4,600 branches across the country. We are truly pan-India bank because our bank is situated throughout the country, across the length and breadth of the country. We have a business of more than 4,30,000 crores as on date, and a very strong customer base. As far as our zone is concerned, this zone consists of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. We have business of more than 31,000 crores coming from these states. We have 330 branches across these states, 3 states, and we are again working out for further branch expansion in the current financial, as well as we want to add substantial number of the branches. Central Bank's key motto is to provide the customer delight with a caring service, with a responsive service to the customers. In pursuance of our objective to provide the need-based product to the customers, we have designed a tailor-made product in the deposit front, which is known as Cent Aspire Deposit product. Cent Aspire Deposit product comes with a credit card along with him. Customers can get a credit card without applying separately for a credit card up to the 80% of the value of the deposit. This deposit is kept as a term deposit and it gets normal time deposit rate of interest. The very significant feature of this product is that the customers who use this credit card have to pay only 1.2% per month, that is the interest, whereas all other credit cards carry more than 2.4% roughly the rate of interest. So that is the most important feature of this credit card. It is a hassle-free product. Every deposit automatically comes with a credit card with this. So that is why the response has been very tremendous, and today since morning we could open very large number of the accounts, and the figures are before me. I think we have already opened roughly 1700 to 1800 accounts already in a half-day span. 55? All other credit cards carry lower credit period, say 40 to 45 days, but in this credit card the feature is that you need not pay any interest up to 55 days of its use. This credit card can also be used as a ATM card, and you can draw the money from the ATM terminal. Only thing, if you draw cash, then you have to pay the interest from the day one 1.2%. Otherwise, if you are using at the point of sales, then you will be given a credit of 55 days. That's very attractive. So on one hand, your deposit earns interest rate which is applicable for a fixed deposit. On the other hand, when you are using this credit card at the member establishments for buying any merchandise, you need not pay interest for 55 days. And then what you pay interest after 55 days is 1.2%. So very unique that on one hand you earn your interest on deposit, on the other hand you save interest up to 55 days on whatever purchases you are making, and after that also a very nominal interest of 1.2% per month, which is lowest among all the cards. So this is the unique feature of this, and that is the reason that there was a tremendous response to this, and these figures are of my zone only. I am telling roughly 1800 we have already opened, and the figures for entire bank will be flowing in by evening. So I hope that there is a very good response to this product, and it has been launched with a lot of success. The second product is known as a Sent Home Double Plus, which is a loan product. And as you see the name Sent Home Double Plus, it's a home loan. The double plus means on one hand you have a flexibility of using this as an overdraft. Normally a home loan is as a term loan, where whatever money you put there, surplus money what you have, you cannot draw back because it's a term loan. But this is a unique product where whatever money you put, because this is a home loan plus means it has a flexibility of converting into overdraft after you draw the full home loan. Once you are given the full home loan disbursement, then you can request the bank to convert it into as an overdraft. And you know overdraft is a running account, and whenever the customers have the surplus money, they can park it, and again whenever they want they can withdraw it because they have a checkbook with them. This overdraft will have a checkbook, ATM, internet facility, mobile facility, everything. The second double is the double plus. One double means this is the overdraft facility, and second double plus means you have all added benefits that up to 10% of the loan, the borrower has the option to avail loan for other purposes. These other purposes can be repair and renovation of his house. He can go for education loan of his children, marriage of his children, even for buying a solar power equipment at his home. So many, even for his leave travel, he wants to go for a holiday, he can take. So up to 10% of his home loan, he will be given additional loan. So that is why it is known as a Sent Home Double Plus. So moreover, the rate of interest is very attractive, 10.25% irrespective of the loan amount. 10.25% irrespective of the loan amount, which is the most competitive in the industry today. Plus you have the flexibility of opting for overdraft. Plus you have the option of availing for any purposes up to 10% of the loan. So this is a very unique product which we have launched, and as a result there is again, as I said, good response when we launched this today. Almost today we have more than 100 loans we have already sanctioned in our zone, and the figures from across the country will be flowing in shortly. So both the products are launched, which are, as I said, tailor-made, keeping in view the need of the customers, keeping in view the competitive offering made by us vis-a-vis the other banks, keeping in view very attractive features, innovative features in both these products. One is a deposit product, one is a loan product. And in the evening today we will be also telling to the press in Bombay that what has been the total throughout the country, what has been the success of this product, because as you have seen from our zone only, I have informed you a very good number that shows that the customers have liked this product. As a result, there has been a very good response to this product. Thank you very much.